the independent thinker investor. Of the personas that are the 6 which everybody falls into when it comes to investing, we help this category. I think they're the most fun. We help this category, I wouldn't say the most, but right up there with the most common. The independent thinker, we create a video for them, articles for them to read, and tools for them to use. Now, these are the ones who already know they're fed up with the high fees of IFAs and they need to do it themselves, whether they're in America, Canada, wherever. And as a hedge fund manager over the years, as somebody who's written 18 odd books on the subject, I know full well the problems that they face, and 200 odd columns in the Financial Times on this subject matter. So the independent thinker is thinking, well, look, I'm not just going to follow what the journalists say, what the IFA tells me, or what the so-called expert ever tells me. I need control and I need to know how to do it. So we explain to them why they're right and why wealth managers underperform, because sometimes the independent thinker does have doubts and thinks to himself, well, have I made the right choice, or herself. We've done one where there's an article for them to read on how professional investors can actually analyze stocks, okay, for themselves. So how to professionalize the independent thinker's approach, because they know they need a process. They know they need a system. Okay, they've already come to the conclusion, the correct conclusion, they shouldn't be relying on an IFA or a wealth manager. They now know, okay, I need a process of my own so I can control those fees and think for myself. So we give them that and the process to do that. And then finally, we've created what we call the financial independence calculator. That helps them work out, well, for the lifestyle that they want, how much do they need based on how much growth. Okay, growth's the key here. We're all about growth. I guess we could call this, growth investing, because that makes the biggest difference to your retirement. Trying to save more, it will not have the same impact as improving growth by 1%. Trying to save more and retire later is not going to make you happier. Okay, but improving growth by a small amount makes a significant difference. So have a look at alpeshpatel.com and you will find on there all the personas, and also for each one of them, one video to watch, one article to read, one financial tool to use. And we're going to do more of these and freshen these up. There's a lot of other tools on there which are phenomenal as well. alpeshpatel.com. Send me any emails you have. If you want a free pension review, you can do it through the website there as well. Thank you.